So today we'll be making hot, spicy chicken wings with our garden naga. Earlier I went to the local grocery shop and I got some chicken wings. I'm going to marinate the chicken with 3 tablespoons of wheat flour and some salt to add some taste. One and a half spoon of curry powder. Some paprika for colour. And some olive oil. And 2 tablespoons of yoghurt. Natural yoghurt. Now I'm going to mix it all together and leave it in the fridge for a few hours. Now we mixed all the flavours and spices together. It's time to put it in the fridge, but before we cook it, we're going to spread some breadcrumbs all over it. But in the meantime, we're going to make the naga sauce now. It's time to make the naga sauce now. In our naga sauce, we're going to be adding roughly about 10 cherry tomatoes, 2 garden nagas chopped up, some chopped up coriander, and 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. We're going to be adding some salt for taste. And now we're going to blend it. Now I have to add some water to it. There we go. Now it's done, and now I'm going to pour it in this cup here. Smells so spicy. Look at the color of this. Okay, let me try some now. No, actually, no, I just remembered what happened last time. I'm going to let my dad do this job because last time I drank a whole carton of milk. The chicken has been in the fridge for a few hours now. It's time to put the breadcrumbs on before we put it in the air fryer. Kids my age try this recipe out because it's very fun to make, and the end it will taste very nice. You don't need chicken and chips anymore from outside. You can just make it at your house. It's easy and fun to make. And if you don't like Naga Morich, you don't need to add it because we're kids, you can't take that much spice sometimes. Look how golden these wings look. I'm so excited to air fry them right now. Okay. We're going to set the temperature to 180 on the air fryer, and we're going to leave the time on to 20 to 30 minutes, but we're going to check it by time to time. Okay, now to put in the wings. We just need patience now. It's been half an hour. I think it's done now. It smells so spicy. Okay, now to put it in the... I can't wait to eat this. It smells so nice and spicy. It smells so delicious and it looks better than KFC. Okay. Boys and girls my age, try this recipe with your parents. Don't eat any more of that chicken and chips what you eat outside because it doesn't taste that nice and there's too much fat and grease in it. This one, there's barely any grease or fat in it. It looks so delicious. I can't wait to try this. Oh. One more to go. There we go. No time. There we go. All done. I can't wait to eat this right now. This looks so nice. It looks so golden as well. I'm not going to eat it with the Naga sauce. My dad's going to eat it with the Naga sauce and I'm going to eat it with barbecue sauce. Okay. Okay, let me just take some barbecue sauce. That's enough for me. Okay, let's try this. This is delicious. It tastes way better than KFC. I give it a 10 out of 10. This is so nice. Dad, come and try this.
It's time to try the homemade spicy chicken wings, and I'm telling you, it looks fantastic. It smells delicious and it does look better than KFC. And I'm going to try our homemade Naga sauce. Look at this. Delicious. You definitely should try this recipe at home. You don't have to have it with the Naga sauce. Kids can have it without the Naga sauce because it has enough spice in it. And the elders, you must try it with the Naga sauce. We will leave the recipe in the description below, so please try it at home. Well done to Akib. Akib, well done. You've done a great job. And one day you'll make a great chef and a celebrity chef. So thank you for this.
I really enjoyed making spicy chicken wings and Naga sauce. It tasted really nice and it was really fun to make. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have, please like my video because it really motivates me to make the next one. Make sure you like, subscribe and hit the notifications for more future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.